In this video, we will show you how to replace your door jamb switch on this Honda Accord. This will be located inside of your front door jamb. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your door jamb switch inside of your driver's side door jamb. You'll find that it has a rubber protective boot. We'll use a small pocket screwdriver. Being extremely careful for the paint on our vehicle, carefully pull that away along the top. That's going to expose a Phillips head screw. Remove the Phillips head screw. Inspect your mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. At this point, you can take hold of the unit, we'll give it a wiggle and lift it up and out diagonally. Now you can see the wiring harness located along the backside there. We'll just go ahead and take hold of this and slide it out of place. Careful not to drop the wiring harness inside of the body of your vehicle. And there it is, friend. Let's get ready for installation of our door jamb switch. Start with the wiring harness. We'll take this and plug it in directly along the backside there. Confirm it's properly secured. And now we'll take this and slide it into place. Once again, coming down diagonally. Take hold of that rubber boot. Pulling it out of the way, we can reinstall our Phillips head screw. We'll start that in by hand and snug it up. Protect your switch so no moisture or debris makes its way in there. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.